guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, where you learn all the latest updates on AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
In today's tutorial, we will make these cute animated characters that have been trending on TikTok using AI. First thing we will do is find a reference image. So I will head over to Pinterest and type character and choose one that fits your aesthetics. Be aware of intellectual property rights, and if you plan on using them commercially, you might as well make one using Midjourney or ChatGPT. While still on Pinterest, we will choose some outfits that we want our character to wear. So I'll select a couple of outfits and download them. Next, we'll head over to sora.chatgpt.com, upload both your character and the outfit inspo. As for describing a new image or writing a prompt, I simply type remix, and Sola will combine both images into one. This does take a minute since I'm using the free version of ChatGPT. And this is the result that we get. Same character but in a different outfit. I'm going to go back here and remix. I'm going to remix again and have Sola change the background to green. I forgot to do that initially. The reason I prefer green background is because it's easier to remove it by using chroma key on any editing software. Next, we'll head over to Hedra. Links to all the websites mentioned will be in the description box below. Click on add a frame to upload your image. You can add an already recorded audio or record an audio on the website. You can also use one of their AI voice avatars, which is what I chose. I'm using the voice Ellie. As for the prompt, I oftentimes keep it sweet and short. I keep it sweet and short, and I'll simply use standing professionally. And this is what we get.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, where you learn all the latest updates on AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
When it comes to writing your prompts, you can add camera angles, facial expressions, and the like. I oftentimes prefer to keep it simple, and that's how you create these animated characters with AI.
And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.